please watch your children.
Su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la máquina del tiempo. Cuide a los pequeñitos. Gracias.
The sliding doors in your time machine close automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. And please watch your children.
Con su seguridad.
Your time machine will slowly rotate back and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate back and may stop momentarily.
Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, please show us where you're from while we depart your time travel journey. Good. Sending photo to the future. All systems are go. Blinking you now to your guide.
Like a grand and miraculous space complete, our plan is to sail through the universe of time. And for a brief moment, all we have been animal persons. What kind of future will we discover? Surprisingly, the answers lie beyond our answers. The goal of recording history, we invent the future one step at a time. So, let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors created the world we know today. And then it will be your turn to create the world of tomorrow. In this hostile world is where our story begins. Struggling to survive until we learn to communicate with one another. Now we can hunt and survive together. It takes 15,000 years to come up with the next bright idea, recording our knowledge on Keller's wall. There's only one small problem. When we moved, the recorded knowledge stayed behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. This unknown juice, pounding reeds flat, is inventing papyrus, a sort of paper. Papyrus in turn creates better records, various designs, and unfortunately taxes. But it also brings with it the dawn of great civilization. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians were trained Aristotle. They created a simple common alphabet, adaptable to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? That's the Phoenicians. They invented them.
Spero
The Romans created powerful empires. To do their armies, they built a system of roads all over the known world. Rome built the first worldwide web, and it's leading us into the future. But then came the Romans. Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. Or so we think. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. Invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and travel they will. Books make it easier to invent the future in every instant, and the result is an incredible experience of innovation we call the Renaissance.
Transcontinental Railroad complete.
With all gold medals at the 1936 Olympics in Berlin. Just before 9th century history, this muscle young man really began in the Berlin Olympics, proving the world that champions
communicating from anywhere on Earth, and in 1969, from somewhere else. To send a man to the moon, we had to invent a new power. Maybe not much, but like this. One of these amazing machines in their own house. There's just one problem. They're as big as a house. The solution comes, of all places, a garage in California. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that grows to billions of interactions. Once again, we stand on the brink of a new era.
rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions first. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with solar power from your home fueling station, you're on. Don't worry about the house. A PDA with remote control can take care of anything you forgot. You'll leave your city home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. Since you like to wing it, your virtual travel agent gives you options for hotels and restaurants along the way. You can just relax and take things as they come. Getting there is half the fun, so your family car will be equipped with virtual tools to teach you about the world outside your window. You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you can dive right in to the future. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that we'll take and make together. See you in the future.
Welcome back, contractors. Now, we'd like you to visit Project Tomorrow, where you like... Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow, where you like innovation.
are being developed to make the world a better place. Your vehicle doors will open automatically. Please keep your hands away from the doors and step carefully onto the moving platform.
Totally out of you. Use your seat. Here's mommy and daddy.